Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VSAR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I lied. It's actually the past 2 days price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price had a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was not that long ago near its lows to where it ultimately closed up there, I think we can all agree, any rational person can say, yeah, the bulls definitely had a good solid day. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price action? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. Before anything else, the reason there's so much white space to the right here is if I do that, you can see it, totally eliminates all the proportions, and this was due to the big gap down. So that's why I have it over there, just so we can, get a better, visual on it. So going back to the question, does this move have any sort of genuine power? Well, in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is right here at $2.57. Why is $2.57 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 257. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price actually does pull back here a little bit and does something like this and behaves in that manner. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress forward, as $2.57. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those right now because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority by far is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So very nice movement today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.